Is the workshop on Friday, December 8th right for you? Well, before we answer that, because it might not be, let's have a look. If somebody came to you in December of 2020, okay, 2020, and said to you, this is what's coming up ahead, it's going to be a chaotic year, you would have prepared differently. But we didn't see COVID coming. Now, with this year, we're in a different position. We see 2024, but there are dangers that we are seeing that I don't think the average person is seeing. First of all, there's the obvious. The economy, interest rates, we're in a war. There's different things happening around the world that's making things very hard for most people. People are struggling. So what we're going to be doing in this workshop is we're going to be talking you through what's to come and how you can and should prepare. It will be all the warning signs you wish you had every other year. And that's the plan. Now, is it right for you? Couple things. Number one, you need to be willing to participate. It's a workshop. So if you're planning on kind of sitting back and just listening, it might not be right for you. You'll still get a lot, but you won't get as much as you could get. So come in there prepared to interact, because if you want success in life in general, you're going to have to interact with life. So the first small step is a safe environment, a workshop where you can interact. It's not going to be anything personal, but it's going to be doing certain drills and answering questions and engaging in the material that we're going to be teaching. So that's number one. Number two, if it's right for you, is are you willing to invest in yourself? Because most people aren't. Most people are willing to invest time on Netflix and watch 3 hours of Netflix a week or a day, but they won't invest a few hours in this week of self-improvement. So most people want to put 500 Rand towards partying, but they won't put 500 Rand towards something that will actually make them money, like a workshop. So you need to be the type of person that wants to actually invest in themselves, and that's a priority. If it's not, and you're just there because a friend dragged you along, again, you'll get something, 10%, but you won't get 110%. So for a person that wants to invest in themselves, that's hungry to make 2024 the best year yet, yes, it is right for you. I hope to see you there. The tickets are more affordable than they'll ever be. They're only going to go up in price. And I highly recommend that you're there, because I'd love to see you there and I'd love to see you prosper. Looking forward.